Now I'm going to hand this over to the metal music theory master, Ken Candelas, and he's going to explain what I just did on guitar, because you probably heard, and I'm just going to say this from a guitar player's perspective that never really dove too deep into theory. From that perspective, you probably heard some notes in there that have that evil little twist, but they sound like they don't quite belong. Of course, we made them belong, and it sounds really killer, right? But I want Ken to explain what I just did on guitar. He's going to break down the notes, and you can utilize this. He's going to show you how you can use this concept in your riff writing and metal songwriting. So, Brother Ken, take it away, dude.
All right, so this is a really, really cool example, and I want you guys to just listen for a moment. I'm on my piano right over here, and I want to just play a little bit of what Jason was just playing. Listen very closely just to the notes. You hear how they move stepwise in this case? Half step, half step, half step, half step, right? That kind of descending, but you're rising with a half step sounds very, very, very demonic. Now, the relation with some of these notes, right, as I'm just viewing from like as a piano player kind of viewpoint in this case, but it's kind of like this augmented to major kind of coloration. Listen. You hear that? One more time. That's the augmented color. That's two major thirds on top of each other. There's the major. Then I'm using that F sharp as a pivot. And then I resolve to the major with the F. Isn't that interesting that these dark colors actually can come with a combination of some major colors in there? See, major doesn't always mean happy, right? Major can actually, depending on the context, create some tension against something else like augmented. Interesting fact is that because augmented is two major thirds, us introducing that minor third that's on top of a major third with the major chord, right? There's a major third and a minor third on top. That coloration makes it feel like we're descending, and it's just an interesting coloration here, right? So here is our scale. There's your F sharp minor. Now all this with an F sharp minor, kind of a little bit of a jazzy thing going on over here. Love to hear it. Use it to your advantage to make something sound even more evil.
If this video helped you, smash that like button and make sure you're subscribed to the Metal Mastermind YouTube channel. We're always putting out content to help all metal musicians. Also, if you enjoyed Ken's presentation and his approach to music theory and how this can be tied into metal riffs and metal music, well, he's got a course called Metal Music Theory. Actually, there's a link in the description of this video. You can go check that out and learn more about how metal music theory can help you not only learn theory, but again, can help you come up with some really cool song structures and riffs and that sort of thing, and just expand your creativity. So definitely check that out. Again, links in the description, and hey, drop a comment if you have any questions or comments about this video. As always, guys, until next time, create your own sound.